Sintered metal filters are a popular choice for industrial and scientific applications because they can filter out particles with incredible precision. But what exactly is pore size when it comes to sintered metal filters? Sintered metal filters are made by compressing metal powders into a porous shape and then heating them until the particles fuse together. The result is a material with tiny, interconnected pores that can capture particles as they pass through. The pore size of a sintered metal filter is a critical factor in determining its filtering efficiency. Filters with smaller pores can capture smaller particles, but may be more prone to clogging, while filters with larger pores can let larger particles through. Pore size is measured in microns, just like with skin pores. However, for sintered metal filters, pore size can range from a few microns to several hundred microns, depending on the application. The pore size of a sintered metal filter is chosen based on the specific needs of the application. For example, a filter used in a laboratory might need to capture very small particles, while a filter used in an industrial setting might need to allow larger particles through to avoid clogging. So there you have it, a quick explanation of pore size for sintered metal filters. Next time you know what is a sintered metal filter, remember that the pore size is a critical factor in its performance. Thanks for watching. More questions about pore size of sintered metal filters, you are welcome to contact us by email k@henco.com.